In phase 2, I bring more meditation techniques, again, deeper and deeper, step by step. The problem is some people think, okay, I'm going to meditate. Oh, I think too much, I can't do it, and they quit. And I've heard this from, let me not exaggerate, hundreds of people. It's like, hello, that's the first true observation as a meditator. I think too much. So the point is, you don't quit then. It means you begin. The job has begun. So I take people through various steps. For example, observation of the breath, grounding, being well connected in the physical body, awareness of the thoughts, the silence between the thoughts, and then another thought comes up, and then that goes, and really cherishing the silence between the thoughts. The thoughts are not a mistake when you're meditating. Thoughts are part of the process. There's a thought, and there's silence, and there's another thought. So observe them all. When we compare that to breathing, there's a breathing in, and there's a breathing out, and then there's that rest time. Let's say at 3, 4, 5 seconds, and then the lungs naturally bring in the next breath. So it's a continuous cycle. There's breathing, and there's thinking. Just observe that. That's what meditation is. You don't stop breathing and stop thinking. You continue breathing naturally, thinking naturally, but with awareness. So you're developing your consciousness. So even when people say, I have failed as a meditator, it's like the only way to fail is to quit. As long as you're practicing, and even if you meditate, and for 20 minutes you're ruminating, oh, my boss is so bad, or I have such a problem with my partner. I was meditating, 20 minutes already.
Right, and I think there is this great illustration in your book too, where I think it's like focus on breath, thought comes,
yes,
become aware of the thought, and then go back to
bring it back.
Yeah, that's just a cycle.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And a friend, the book has some illustrations, as you saw. A friend of mine in Bangkok did all those illustrations, and it took us like 6 months to come up with all of that. And it really shows that that's a natural process.